Hello, creative friends, and welcome to the Stampin' Squad. My name is Cheryl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute watermelon card. And let me show you the pieces that I'm going to use for my card. This is a really easy card, so I hope that you will make this one. This is my card base. It is 8.5 by 5.5, and then it's scored at 4 1/4. So that's just our standard card base. It is half of a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. Then I also have a scrap of basic white here. This piece is going to go on the inside of my card. It's 4 inches by 5 1/4. This is just a little strip of designer series paper, and that I'm going to put here to decorate the inside of my card. Then I have a piece of basic black cardstock. It's 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square. And this is basic white. Again, it's 3 inches by 3 inches. So very simple. Today I'm using Sweet Sorbet. That's the color I've chosen. So I just used my bone folder to put a nice crease on there. I already had it scored. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do the inside of my card first. So that means I'm just going to take this little piece, and I think I want this striped side showing. So I'm going to grab my multi-purpose glue and put a little glue on there. And then I'm just going to position this near the bottom of this white cardstock. Not all the way to the bottom. I want to leave a little bit there. I just like the way that looks. Now, this will go inside my card. This is my very first video since the beginning of the year. And I'm excited to be doing it because I would say maybe the last 3 months I've only been doing cards for holidays, and you know, starting with Halloween and then fall and then Christmas. And while I love doing those, at some point it's like I want to make a birthday card. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm making a birthday card. All right, I've got that done. Now let's do a little bit of stamping. I'm going to grab this piece of basic white, and let me show you what we're going to use today for this card. We are using the Watercolor Melon stamp set. This is an item you can earn for free during SALE-A-BRATION. So right now we're in January of 2024. So for January and February of this year, this is an item that you can earn with your product purchase of $50. So that is available. I'm excited about this stamp set. And I'm going to also be using this oval punch. So this is also a current product, and you can get that because it makes this watermelon card really easy. You don't have to fussy cut anything. All right, I'm going to grab a sentiment, and actually I'm using a sentiment from a different stamp set. This sentiment is "Hope Your Birthday is Wonderful" from the Hooray for Surprises stamp set. And this is in the current mini catalog that just went live a few days ago. So I am going to grab my Memento black ink and ink up my stamp here. I think I've got that pretty good. Let's put that down. Oh, and I didn't press hard enough. You never saw that. You never saw it. Oh my goodness. Let's try again. And you saw the magic that I performed there by actually turning the paper over. So that's better. You can see that better. Let's go with that. Hope your birthday is wonderful. Now, I think that's all the black I need, so I am going to put that over here out of the way. And what do I want to do next? Oh, I know what I want to do next. I'm going to grab this scrap of basic white and let's stamp some watermelons. So let me grab shaded spruce. That's the green that I've chosen for my watermelon. Make sure I've got that inked up nicely, and here we go. I love this stamp set. They are distinctive stamps, so you get really nice shading, light and dark, that really gives the stamp a lot of texture. Looks really nice. All right, what's next? How about our watermelon slice? So this is the rind. So this piece is, the rind piece is two-step stamping. So I'm going to take this, make sure I'm still in camera range there, and stamp that. Again, I'm using shaded spruce. Let me put that out of the way and grab my sweet sorbet, and we're going to do the inside of the watermelon with the sweet sorbet. And now I want to line this up, so I am going to take my time. I am not going to try to hurry here, and I'm going to try to keep my my hair out of the frame. So I have to get right over this to be able to line it up. There we go. Yay! Perfect. Well, at least as close to perfect as I'm going to get, right? So let me move that out of the way. And I do need my black again because I need to stamp the watermelon seeds. So let's do that. And I think I'm just going to put some seeds right here. And let's put a few over here on this other side. There we go. Just like that. Now this is my favorite part. I'm going to grab that punch, that oval punch, open it up, and then I'm going to punch out this whole watermelon. It fits right in there. There we go. How cute is that? Then I want to punch this slice of watermelon or wedge of watermelon. So I'm going to line that up and then punch. Okay, I can put that away. And now I've got this, and I'm just going to take my paper snips and cut right here. And boom, that's it. Done. So sweet. Really adorable. Okay, so what's next? You know, I think I'm actually going to stamp that sentiment again because I'm looking at it over here and I still don't love it. So I will be using this piece for something else. So I'm going to put that in my scrap pile. And let me try again. Now, there's no guarantee I'm going to do a better job this time, but I am going to try. I am going to try. So we're inking up. Let me take a moment here and just kind of make sure I'm doing a good job of inking the whole stamp, because I did not do that so great a minute ago. All right, so near the bottom, centered, and there we go. That's better. It looks more even. Sometimes I get real excited and get in a hurry, and that usually doesn't pay off for me. Okay, now I'm just simply going to glue this one on, and then I will pop this one up with some dimensionals. And I think what I'll do is glue this on here first. Let's do that first. There we go. This is my favorite time of year, this SALE-A-bration, because I love to earn free stuff when I make my purchases. And I think most people do. So if you are shopping and you'd like to purchase some things and earn this watermelon set, if you're not already shopping with another demonstrator, I'd love it if you shop with me. So in the description underneath this video, there's a link that will take you to all my things, right? It's going to take you to shopping. It's going to take you to my social media channels, because this is embarrassing. You ready? I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Threads, and TikTok. Yeah, it's a little crazy, but I love reaching out and connecting with all of you on whatever social media channel you might happen to be on. So that works out. Let me grab some dimensionals. Here we go. I'm just going to put 2 on the back of this. There we are. And of course, if you have questions, just leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to get back to you and help you out. There we go. That's popped up. That is super cute. Now we need a little bling. I think we need a little bling. So I just grabbed my rhinestone basic jewels, and let's put a medium-sized one right here and a little one down here, and then one more. How about a little one like right there? I press those down, make sure I got those on there good, and that is it. A super easy card. Now, I love it with the watermelon, okay? There's no doubt about that. But you could use the same idea and use any stamps, any paper, any cardstock that you have, right? It's just a simple base. I'm gonna layer some white cardstock on another color cardstock, stamp my focal image there, a sentiment, maybe put a little bling, and white on the inside to write on, and that is it. Very, very easy peasy, easy peasy. All right, I hope you'll make either this watermelon card or something with this kind of a layout, and I will be talking to you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye-bye.